Okay, so now I'm collecting some cassava young leaves to make this delicious dish. It's very important to collect the younger ones, obviously, because this one will not do. This one is very soft and tender, so you can cook it properly. Oke, selamat pagi.
Pagi.
Nah, sini berapa?
Aha, maju ah.
Ya,
Itu ada harga.
tiga.
Mahal.
Oke, satu.
Ya.
Oke, terima kasih. Evening. So it's almost dinner time, and I've decided that I will be the one cooking today. I will be cooking a nice Creole dish, one of the favorite of mine, which is the salted fish with coconut milk. And I've missed that dish so much, and so today will be my take on it. Please, if I'm doing it wrong or doing it right, please let me know. But it will be my take on cooking. For ingredients, I will be using 2 small onions, garlic, and some chilies just to make it a bit spicy. So first thing I will do now is just cutting down my ingredient into small pieces. I mean, you can use a blender if you want to, but I prefer to use the traditional way. Cut it down with the knife. Okay, cutting down my this chili is extremely hot, so I have to be very careful. This is called the jolokia chili. Don't want it to touch my hand that much. Whew, okay, that's enough. That's enough chili for today.
All right.
Okay, this is my cassava leaf I've collected earlier. I soaked it in water. So there are some stalks here. So I'll just remove some of those stalks, you know, just to make it edible later when we enjoy the nice Creole dish. My mouth is watering already, just thinking about this dish. Okay, now those stalks, just remove it. Okay, I have my frying pan ready, and I will now add some oil just to stir fry the salted fish for a while. Don't put so much oil. I think that would be good. That would be enough, because we want to eat healthy, don't we? Right? We don't want to have so much salt and oil in our cooking. Okay, so I just put the grease. Yeah, I think it's good. So I will now transfer it back to the small bowl. Then for us to mix it with the vegetables later. Okay, now stir fry the onions and the garlic and the chilies. Not for too long, just a little while only. Blend all together. I'll add my coconut milk now. As you can see, the milk is boiling already, and it's very nice. So I will add on the cassava leaves that I've prepared earlier. I don't know if it's too much or not, but anyway, since it's a vegetable, so a vegetable is healthy, so why not eat all? That's what I would say. We give it like 5 minutes to cook before I add on the fish. Okay, you can see the cassava leaf is cooking well. Very nice aroma. Now I will add on the salted fish that I fried a little bit earlier as a finale of the dish. Very nice. Okay, looks like the dish is done. Only one thing missing is a nice Creole segadens. Okay, that will be the topic for another video maybe. So nice. So now I'm getting ready to enjoy a nice Creole dish, one of the favorite of mine. Okay, here am I at the table. I'm going to test the salted fish with coconut milk, with cassava leaves, a classic Creole dish. Ah, smells so good. Oops, smells so good. It's a bit of sauce. Let's try it. Let's try it. So nice. Just need a Creole songs playing and a cigar dance just to go along with the so nice. Then I have my coconut water as usual, healthy. What a beautiful evening. I have my fish, my coconut water, and such a nice evening. Just need some Creole songs. Yeah. Good night, everyone. If you feel that this video makes you more healthy and more happy, please subscribe and give me the like button, and see you in the next video. Ciao.